Hello and welcome. We're just going to call Rudy for a moment, see if he is available.
Hello, Dave.
Hello, Rudy. Are you in
Yeah.
the midst of things?
No, I'm just getting up. I was lying down for
Oh,
a
very
minute.
good. Well, this won't take long. I am
No,
record.
I'm done.
Oh yeah, okay. I am recording here because you know
Oh,
what? I have now
nice.
swapped. I did two more RAM chips at a time, and
Yeah.
the
Did you find
diagnostic is still squirrely,
it's still squirrely?
and but it works fine on the other one. So I am perplexed. I'm going to Google, see if there's any more information on this diagnostic thing that might give me a hint. But also, I guess what I'm going to do is, now that I've done four of them, um, is maybe I'll bring the disk drive back up on the table
Yeah.
and hook it up and see what happens. But definitely, there's something with this, you know, with this pet that isn't as it should be. It still says that reset bit high or something. Anyway, I don't know. So
Yeah.
right now I've got them both sitting here going World of Commodore, 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 and they both seem to be quite happy about doing that. And mind
Uh,
you, I haven't I haven't made any efforts to load anything or try and fill any RAM or do anything crazy. But anyway, so right now the pet that has the trouble now has four chips that came out of the other machine,
right.
and the pet that had no trouble has four chips that came out of the machine that had trouble.
Uh-huh.
And it's still doing much the same.
So there's probably another. This is a 2001.
Yes, they're both 4030. Well, one says 4016, but it's got the extra RAM, and the other says 4032. They're the same boards, same RAM, same, like the layout is the same. I guess it's probably the second, it's not the earliest. It's probably the second version before they came out with the universal board.
So does it have the 20? Does it have the what's it called? The 2114 RAM chips or the 6550s?
Oh, you mean in the main RAM for the machine? I don't
No,
think.
no. Yeah, the main
Oh,
RAM,
in the
not the video
video.
RAM.
Oh yeah, the video RAMs are the 2114s.
Okay. And
Two of them,
right.
and they too have been.
And you've changed four of the
Let me just peek
out of
inside for
eight.
a second. Yeah, both of them, the video RAM chips are socketed.
Okay, but the actual system RAM you've changed.
I've
Was
changed
it
four out of
eight?
16.
Right, and it's which is it J9? What is the location of the
Oh
chips that
no,
you
no,
changed?
the ones I've changed, according to this thing here, if the thing is happening in, oh, let's see, if your board is a 2001, oh no, that's the other thing. If your board is a 2001 N series, this is a 16 and 32K machines, uses 4116 chips, which provide 1 bit each in the 16,384 bytes. 8K machines, yeah, yeah, yeah. So what it was telling me is that between 00003 FF,
Right,
that the chips to look at are I2, I3, I4, I5, I6, I7, I8, I9.
and you started at which one? I2.
I2, which actually it says is bit 7.
Right, you should have started at I9.
Oh, that's good to know. It's
That's
funny,
bits.
because the way they're written on the sheet here is the exact opposite to the way they are in the board.
Yeah,
So I should have
yeah.
started at I9.
Well, that's bit 0, right? And then bit 1. So the first chip is, bit 0, then it's bit 1, and then 2, 3, 4.
Dear God, what have I
But
done?
no, but that's fine. I think you're gonna have to go through all those first row right of chips.
Well, maybe what I'll do the next. See, I did one, then I did another. This last time I did 2 more.
Right.
Perhaps what I will do is just do the 4
That's left. Yeah.
all at once.
Because if it's not coming with any test at all, it's from uh, 0000 to 3FFF, and that's the first location of the memory. If something is wrong there. Now,
So the memory goes from left to right, even though on the sheet here it's right to left.
well, you look where it says bit 0,
Yeah.
right? Bit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Oh, well.
and the location. But
well, I may have done this. I may have done this completely backwards.
And I could be completely wrong. I'm just saying that's where I would have started with bit 0, which is J9 or I9.
Well, yes. Oh. No. My brother's trying to call. I'm going to decline this.
Socket memory, good.
Oh, yes, it's all good.
Yeah. I had to do all the sockets on the 8032. All 16. So I know your pain.
Yep. Well, they do unsolder pretty well.
Yeah.
There's no massive grounds and issues and stuff, so.
It's too bad I didn't live closer. I could have brought my oscilloscope over. I could have just scoped each chip and seen which one is. You want to pull so many chips out.
Yeah. Well, but it's still very strange that the machine works okay, but it doesn't yet. Anyway,
it's working. I don't know. Like I said, we're talking about this before that, like diagnostic cartridges and boards and whatever else. I mean, they're only good to a certain degree. It's sometimes they're false positives, sometimes they're not. But it's interesting how the board worked just fine on the other computer, other pet, and then when you put in this one, it doesn't get to the point where it's testing the memory.
Well, but yeah, well, it starts to test the memory and then says no, not really.
Yeah.
But this is the one that won't do the 4040 properly. Like the one where it won't test the memory.
Yeah.
Where it starts off with is the one that was working perfectly, and then the torture test of the disk drive caused trouble, and it wasn't the disk drive, it was the computer.
Yeah, it's probably just flaky RAM. It was fine, and then now it's eventually just gave up and died.
It died.
But I think it's a partial memory. Like the chip is a partial error. It's not like a full blown error. But there's if it was me, that's what I'd be doing. I'd be pulling all that.
So in other words, you think I started at the wrong end?
I think so.
Great.
But there's no wrong or right? Like I would have started at bit 0. I would have started at J9 and worked my way to J8, J2, J8, 7, 6, etc. Right? But that's the higher. That's the. I think. It's like anything. You look through a box and it's the last box that you find has this stuff.
Oh well, of course. Well, also because once you found the thing, it would be the last box because why would you keep looking?
That's right. Exactly. So I don't know. That's what I would do. But I would pull all that out. I mean, you're almost done now, anyways, right?
I'm halfway there.
Yeah.
And I haven't done any damage yet.
No. Yeah, if you're careful and take your time and you're careful, you shouldn't be damaging anything. I mean, you've done a lot of repairs before, so you're quite knowledgeable and experienced in soldering and desoldering.
Take it easy.
Just take your time and take it easy. Don't rush.
Yep.
And don't force the chips out.
Oh no.
Not really out.
Oh no. There was one actually I left the desoldering chip hot and I went to kind of ease them out, and there was one corner one that I thought, it's just not. So I turned the board back over and gave it another little helpful blast of heat and
Yeah.
got it out okay. So
Yeah.
we're all good, all good, all good.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Well, you're almost there.
Oh, we'll see. I suppose the next thing I will do before I yank anything else, just to coordinate and make sure that we're still exactly where I thought we were. I'll grab the 4040, bring it back up on the table, try and read a directory. I'll see that the one will work, the other one will not, and I'll say, okay, everything I've done has not done anything at all.
Well,
Nothing is
take
worse. And
take
then,
the. I would take the good memory out of the other pad and put it into this one.
oh yeah, no,
Like,
no, the good memory, the memory from the other pet is what's in the one that's not working.
okay, yeah, that's what I would do. I would just, as you have a new socket, put that chip in, test it, but then put the good one into this pad.
Yep. Oh yeah, no, they're all good in there
I,
now. All the ones that have been replaced are now the ones that
good,
came out of the other machine,
right?
and there they are.
Yeah.
Anyway.
It's just strange that the diagnostics doesn't even kick into the right. Like, it just does the first screen, then that's it.
Yep.
So there's got to be something wrong in the lower memory.
Mm,
I guess
all right.
when you put everything in, it works. It's not working properly. So, but that, as you saw, you put a diagnostic board on the other pad, and it comes up and it starts doing the diagnostic. So the diagnostic board is working.
Oh yeah.
So it's something on this pad.
Something.
Something.
All right. Well, I will. As I say, I'll give one just refresher to make sure that it is still doing what it said it was doing,
Yeah.
and then I will go for the next 4 RAM chips, and then I will, see what the next.
Have
Yeah.
you have you have you before you go further?
Yeah.
Have you plugged the diagnostic board back into this pad to see if it still does the same thing?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So
Oh
it's doing the
yeah.
same. Okay.
Yeah. I've done them in both with change the RAMs, put in the
Yeah.
diagnostic, see what happens. Put it, change the put the RAM chips in, run the diagnostic. Yeah. Yeah. Same thing. Same thing. Same thing.
And they're the exact same board, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Because you
Just
want to make
with
sure the
the
jumper
dip
settings
switches,
are correct.
are in the right spot.
Yep. Yep.
Yep.
Okay. Well, good luck. Let me know. Keep me posted.
Yes, I will. I should call my brother tried to call in the midst of this, so maybe I'll give him a call.
Definitely. That's a good idea.
Okay, I'll keep you posted.
Thanks, buddy. We'll talk to you soon.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Good
Bye.
luck.
Bye.
Bye.
So maybe I did the wrong RAM chips. Maybe I should have started at the other end. I guess we'll find out. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.